Unlock the power to estimate the true potential profit of any property with PropStream's ARV tool. First, let's dive into PropStream once you're logged in. You'll want to use the main search bar at the top. Enter the address of the property you're interested in, or a general area like the city and state for a broader search hit search, and PropStream will populate a list of matching properties. Now, locate your target property on the results page and click on it to open its detailed profile on the left-hand side of the property details. You'll find a tab labeled Comps. Click on that. This Comps section is where the magic happens for ARV estimation. PropStream automatically pulls comparable sales, or comps, meaning recently sold properties that are similar to your target property in terms of size, features, and location. You can refine these comps by clicking on Search Comps, or the filter options. This allows you to adjust the search radius, the number of beds and baths, square footage, and even sale date range. For a fix and flip or wholesale deal, you'll typically want to focus on sales within the last 6 months to a year and adjust your radius to capture the most relevant market data. As you adjust these filters, pay close attention to the summary information that PropStream provides. It will highlight key metrics like the average sold price and the estimated after repair value, or ARV, of your subject property based on these comps. For a more accurate ARV, you can also manually select the most relevant comps from the list by checking the box next to them. This will refine the calculated ARV further. This estimated ARV is your baseline for understanding the potential resale value after renovations. It's a crucial step for any investor looking to accurately forecast profits and make smart, data-driven decisions. Mastering ARV with PropStream empowers you to maximize your investing potential. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert real estate investing tips.